There's a famous story in traditional Tibetan medicine where a teacher says to his students to go out into the world and spend some time searching and try to find something that cannot be used as medicine. Try to find something that is useless and not a medicine under any circumstances. So the students go out. Some of them return with various objects that they feel are pretty much inert in terms of medical value. But one student comes back and says, "I'm so sorry, teacher. I couldn't find anything in the whole world that you can't potentially use as medicine." And the teacher tells them that this is, in fact, the correct answer. Everything in the entire world can potentially be used as medicine. The rocks, the trees, the water, everything has a value according to the nature of the five elements. Likewise, everything out there in the entire world, the air we breathe, the words we say, the clothes we wear, the ground under our feet, it all has an effect on our health, and it all can either contribute to our long life and happiness, or it can detract from that and become a cause of disease. So the important thing is having some basic knowledge of the fundamental principles of health, the nature of the five elements, the nature of the human condition, having some basic understanding, and then having the worldview, the spiritual wisdom to apply that knowledge in a helpful and beneficial way according to the circumstances of any situation. And then, of course, having the desire, the compassion, the desire to help yourself and be healthy and a well person, and also helping other people. If you have these characteristics, then you can use anything as medicine, and you can take any particular circumstance or material or aspect of life and analyze it in terms of, does it help us or is it hurting us? And what is that relationship, and what can we change to improve that? So this is why it's really helpful to study just a little bit and learn some basic principles of Eastern medicine, elemental medicine, because that shift in your worldview, that little impact to your consciousness, will ripple out and can reverberate and potentially benefit in any possible circumstance. So this is one of the main motivations that I like to study Eastern medicine and Tibetan medicine because it helps to use any particular aspect of life and apply it for health and wisdom.